Hello. This lesson is about previewing your arguments in the introduction of your essay. In the tab mnemonic, this is the letter A. One of the purposes of the introduction is to introduce your reader to the argument you will use to support your thesis. However, you will not explain these arguments or present evidence. You will do that in the body of the essay. Each argument is elaborated in its own paragraph. Why is the argument preview important? Well, it lets the reader know what to expect from the rest of your essay. It also helps the reader appreciate the flow and logic of your arguments. Finally, it helps your reader see the big picture of your ideas. How do you generate arguments to support your thesis? That's easy. You should already know your thesis and arguments before you begin writing, because those ideas come from your free writing or planning strategies. Use those strategies to choose your arguments and position. Okay. Let's check out an example outline. You might want to pause this lesson to read the outline. You can press play to continue when you're ready. This outline contains several arguments. First, it talks about cell phones as a distraction, and then mentions why distractions are dangerous. Lastly, it claims that accidents are increasing. So, from the outline, we have these three arguments. We can preview the arguments in a few sentences. Cell phones cause distractions that make drivers more likely to be in an accident. Sadly, such phone-related accidents are on the rise. And that's it. That's our argument preview. Now, one question you might have. Should we also preview the evidence? Our outline included several pieces of support. For example, it mentioned radios and weather as other driving distractions. And it mentioned how fast an accident can occur. What should we do? The answer is clear. Evidence is not presented in the introduction, only in the body paragraphs. The argument preview is basically a way to foreshadow the topic sentences of your body paragraphs. If you incorporate evidence in your introduction, it will make your essay seem very disorganized. To summarize, there are three main steps to writing your argument preview. First, review your free write, outline, or flowchart to identify your main arguments. Second, summarize these arguments in 2 to 3 sentences. And finally, think ahead. Think about the topic sentences you will use in your body paragraphs. If you want to learn more about body paragraphs and topic sentences, you should check out the bodybuilding lessons. And with that, we are done with the argument previewing lesson. When you're ready to go to the checkpoint, close this window. You will go to the checkpoint automatically.